So not this one with the white one, where the two blue cones are. So tell everybody where you're going to go. And we'll just pause here for a second and see what these guys are doing. Just get a little bit closer there, look. So you get up to the junction, go past the tree, and then have a little look. Keep that line there. How's it looking now? So nice and straight, don't put the power on because again it'll make the turn much more difficult. There you go. It's really good. Quick. There you go. So we're going to reverse this car in a moment. So we're going to go like that in a minute and then reverse back towards that white post there. So just follow my instructions at the moment. So no power at all, no braking. Turn the wheel to the right now. Go, 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 all the way, all the way. And we'll stop it there on the brake. And can you put that into R for reverse? Turn the wheel hard left for me. Hard left, keep turning, come off the brake. Keep it on full turn. So, well done. It's fine. Can you help it a tiny, tiny bit with the power? Tiny. That's good. Keep off the power. Turn right for me. Turn right. Quick. Urgent. Urgent. That will probably do us there. You can see we're lined up then ready to leave here again in a few minutes. Just get the car straight now, a little bit more to the left, a little bit, there we go, that's it. It'll just go back by itself. You'll hear the sensor go off, so you just be careful. As soon as the sensor goes, brake. Off the brake. That'll do us then.